Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, New Me by Hannah. Hope you're having a great week. Thank you so much for joining me back here today. Unless you've been living under a rock, you have probably heard the phrase, nice guys finish last. And there is no denying that in the case of most, I want to say most women, I'm going to generalize, but there are specific reasons we don't like nice guys. So in this video, I will set out exactly why being a nice guy may be causing you a problem. I will give you my top tips on what to do, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll be having much more luck with the ladies if you think you are one of those nice guys. Before we get into the video, as ever, don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell, and if you do enjoy the video, just give it a thumbs up and let's just get right into it. If a woman describes you as being nice, then it's still a compliment, but it's quite a low compliment on the scale of all compliments. You can be a kind guy, you can be a good guy, but if women are generally calling you nice, then this is exactly why you're watching this video, and you need to know what I'm about to tell you. Most guys that are deemed nice guys tend to be afraid of rejection, so they never actually get off the starting block. That is a problem because you are literally never going to get the girl, ever. There seems to be this just general lack of confidence and self-belief, and it can be quite a turn off if you're a woman with a guy like that. So make sure to kind of combat this. If you are a nice guy and you feel like you do have this problem, then you need to work on your confidence, work on your self-belief, and literally just get yourself out there. Put yourself out there. Not every girl is going to like you, but if you don't try, you are never going to know. Nice guys never give honest feedback. They kind of say what they think the girl wants to hear. They kind of put a filter on it. Okay, fair enough. Sometimes we're going to ask you if we look nice, and all we want you to say is, yeah, you look really good, and that'll give us the boost to get out the door. The problem is, however, that if we are with you on a daily basis, we don't just want you to say what you think we want to hear. We really want your honest feedback. On a daily basis, we need to know if our top matches our skirt, for example. We just need to know that kind of stuff. So not everything the girl is doing or saying is correct, and you need to make sure that you are standing up for yourself. You need to make sure that you are giving honest feedback and criticism as well where it's due. If she's not looking right at a certain time, you need to tell her, oh, I think you should change your clothes. Something like that, you know? Again, I think this has to do with confidence, and I think if you do feel that you're a nice guy, confidence is probably one of the main things you need to work on. This is also the case for my next tip, where I think most guys will put their head in the sand when it comes to confrontation. Girls, we like to feel looked after and protected. It's a very caveman mentality. I don't know why we still have it. I thought we'd have evolved from this by now, but we still like to feel safe and comforted. So if there is a situation where your girl is in trouble or she needs your help, you cannot just stick your head in the sand and pretend it's not happening, because it is. So girls, whilst we don't like aggression, none of this, we're not asking you to fight for us, but we do need you to step in if something's not right. Again, just that kind of confidence to be able to do so, and to really feel like you're the man in the relationship rather than her follower. Another thing that I personally really hate about nice guys is that you will find a girl, you will decide no matter if she likes you or not, if this is a long-term thing or not, you are going to push that relationship as fast as it can go. Even if she is telling you, no, I'm not interested, or can we just keep it at this level, I don't want to move in just yet, or if it gets that far, I'm not ready to be your wife just yet. I hope it doesn't get that far. But I'm just saying as an example. We like to go through relationships at our pace, and if you are pushing us too fast, then you will push her into a situation where you want it for now, but then it won't last for the long term. So go at her pace, If she is indicating to you that she's ready, you know, to move in or to call you her boyfriend, then go at her pace. If you go any faster, she will feel like she's being pushed, and again, that's not nice. Another thing that nice guys do is that they try to be liked and get approval like all the time and are quite needy. So if you are thinking that you are a nice guy, if you are kind of watching this video and thinking, yeah, she's describing me, then just take yourself back a bit. You don't need approval from anybody. If you are doing what you should be doing, if you are happy with your own life, then that is all that you need. You don't need approval from anybody. That being said, the girl should already be complimenting you when she feels necessary anyway. So if you are going out together and she's looking at you like, oh, you look nice today, then there you go, you got your compliment. But don't push for it. Don't keep saying, oh, do I look nice? Do I look nice? Because probably going to get some backlash for this, but that's the girl's job. It's the girl's job to keep saying, do I look nice? You know, yes, we need approval too. So my top tips, if you are a nice guy, if you are ticking the boxes as I'm going through this video and my points, then my top tips for you are firstly, to show your personality. It doesn't matter if you don't try to become someone else just because you think she's going to like you better. Just be you, and if she doesn't like you, just move on to the next one. There are so many women out there that need a good guy that, you know, honestly, just show your true colours and the right girl will come to you at the right time. My second tip for you is to say what's on your mind. Don't say what you think we want to hear. Sometimes you may want to put a slight filter on it if you do have a sharp tongue. However, don't just say what you think that we want you to say, because the girl will get bored, she'll move on faster, and you'll lose her. So there you go. Those are my top reasons why nice guys finish last, and my top tips to change you slightly if you are a nice guy. If you have any questions for me or anything I can help you with from Girl World, then please drop me a comment in the box below. I will come back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe. This is very important. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video.